Hey folks, hello to you all and a happy new year if you're watching this in the new year. We all know how to peel an orange. The trouble is that it can end up messy, or at least it does for me. So I'll show you a method of peeling that will let you unroll an orange and leave you with a nice line of segments. This method will work with any type of orange. To use this method, all you need is a knife and to cut the top off, and the same for the bottom. Then make a cut on the side. You should then be able to unroll the orange, leaving you with a nice clean line of segments.